Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried eggs at home. First, ensure you have fresh eggs, a good non-stick pan, and your preferred cooking fat like butter or oil. Next, place your pan on the stove and preheat it over medium-low heat for about 2 minutes. This ensures even cooking. Finally, gently crack each egg into a small bowl. This helps prevent shell fragments in your pan. Once your pan is preheated, add about 1 tablespoon of butter or oil, letting it melt and coat the bottom. Carefully slide your cracked egg from the bowl into the hot pan. For a classic sunny side up, cook for 2 to 3 minutes until the whites are set but the yolk is still runny. If you prefer a firmer yolk, simply cook for an additional minute or 2. After cooking to your desired doneness, it's time to season. A simple sprinkle of salt and freshly ground black pepper enhances the flavor beautifully. For an extra touch, consider garnishing with some fresh chives or parsley. Fried eggs are best enjoyed immediately, whether on a piece of crispy toast, alongside some savory bacon, or as a delicious topping for other dishes. For a basted egg with a slightly firmer yolk, cover the pan with a lid for the last minute of cooking. If you prefer over easy, gently flip the egg after about 2 minutes and cook for just 30 seconds on the other side. Remember to check the description for links to our favorite kitchen tools and other great deals, including that awesome car air freshener. Enjoy your perfectly fried eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.